Looking for a natural way to get glowing youthful skin? Today I will show you how to prepare a herbal face pack with camel milk and Gotu Kola. Gotu Kola is rich in antioxidants and improves blood circulation, helping the skin stay firm, youthful and radiant. Camel milk is packed with vitamins and natural lactic acid that brighten dull skin, deeply moisturize and support a smoother complexion. Before starting the face mask, let me tell you that you can use any liquid base for this mask. Plain water, rose water or any herbal decoction which suits your skin. I am using the infusion of carrot and hibiscus. Now let's get started. Take camel milk powder and Gotu Kola powder in equal amounts, around 1 to 2 teaspoons each. Add the infusion gradually and mix until you get a smooth creamy paste. You want the paste thick enough to stay on your skin but easy to spread. For normal to dry skin, you can leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. If your skin is oily, 10 to 15 minutes is perfect. Always rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. And that's it. One nourishing Gotu Kola and camel milk face mask is ready. Use it 2 to 3 times a week to soothe, rejuvenate and brighten your skin naturally. And please remember, consistency is what brings real results.